Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up game overlay, and I will just give you a full guide. Just like for example, let me show you how to do it. So here, this is my GTA 5 and here you can see on the top left, this is a game overlay, right? So whatever the person or the players are speaking, I can see here and I can just open this Discord over my GTA game. This is called game overlay in actually, right? So how we can set up this. To do this, I will show you how to do. We have to just go to the user setting. Once we are here, we have to scroll a little bit down. So make sure that game is on in the background, otherwise Discord will not identify it. So we'll just go to the register games and you can see that generally most of the time Discord automatically find whatever games we are playing, right? You can see here that it automatically find it. If in some cases, if it doesn't, then just click on add it and you can select from here, right? So for example, you can just select here, you can just type here GTA 5 and in this way it is already added. That's why it's not showing me in the search result. Otherwise you can just click on add game and this is how it is done. Make sure this is toggle overlay is turned on, not like this, and this eye icon should be also on. If this eye icon is gone, you can see here that it will not identify it. So make sure I just turn this on. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Then we will just go one step further. This is called game overlay. So for example, in my GTA, it was showing here, right? You can just change the positions, you can change the size, and you can just make sure it is always display, because whenever person speak, then only it show it here in my GTA, right? Mine in my overlay. You can just change that from here. This is a shortcut key, right? So yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.